Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Homme, man. So, homme, man. Le chien est le meilleur ami de l'homme. Dog is man's best friend. Oh, who is the doggy? Who is the doggy? Who is the fluffy doggy? No, doggy. I should stop doing the doggy. Ami, friend. Ami, friend. Best friend, mon meilleur ami. I like hanging out with my friend. J'aime traîner avec mes amis. When I was little, I didn't have friends. Quand j'étais petite, je n'avais pas d'amis. So sad. Femme, woman. Next one is femme, woman. I'm a woman. Je suis une femme. Même, even, same. Même, even, or same. C'est le même. It's the same. Doing it the same way. Le faire de la même manière. Autre, other, autre, other. For example, if you are shopping for, let's say, shirts, and you want the same in another color, l'avez-vous dans une autre couleur? Do you have it in another color? Or do you have it in another size? Est-ce que vous l'avez dans une autre taille? Seul, only, lonely. Seul, only. Can also mean lonely. Un seul, only one. Going alone, j'y vais seul. No, don't go. Yes, I'm going alone. No, take me with you. No, it's too dangerous. Or, je me sens seul. I'm feeling lonely. Jeune, young. Jeune, young. I'm still young. Je suis encore jeune. I'm not that old. Come on. Oh, les jeunes. Oh, the youngsters. Où as-tu appris le français? Where did you learn French? Où as-tu appris le français? Where did you learn French? On French Pod 101 with me. Yeah, where did you learn French? Leave me a comment below. Maybe in your home country or on the internet, or did you study it more seriously in school? So just tell me. Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? I used to live in the south, so between Spain and Italy. It was a nice place, full of sun and everything. You should check it out, so come to the south of France, it's sunny. Où sont les toilettes? Where is the bathroom? Où sont les toilettes? You will need this one in a restaurant. Toilette is a plural word in French. We used to make a joke that French toilets are so dirty that you have to check many of them before finding a decent one. That's why it's a plural name. Some toilets you have to pay to access them actually in public places. So be careful. Sometimes you need a coin, especially in stations like train stations. Où travaillez-vous? Where do you work? Où travaillez-vous? Where do you work? I work on the internet. It's a worldwide place. So, and after this one, usually you will be asked, what do you work in? Or what's your job? Quel est ton travail? Ou dans quoi travailles-tu? Here you go. Merci. Thank you. Please learn this one and be polite. In French, we just have merci. There is no short version of it, and you can use it for anyone. So when you receive something at the grocery store, merci. Or when someone does you a favor, merci. If you want to be really polite or really thankful, you can say merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot. De rien. So you are welcome. If someone says merci to you, you can just say de rien. So merci et de rien. Those come in a pair, so learn them together. It's nice. Il est quelle heure? What time is it? Or quelle heure il est? You will more often hear the second version. So, excusez-moi, quelle heure il est? Excuse me, what time is it? Où sont les toilettes? Where is the bathroom? We don't have many available bathrooms in public places, and usually they are really dirty. So, or maybe if you are at someone's house, you can ask, où sont les toilettes? At the end. So, remember those main sentences, and don't forget to subscribe, and leave me a comment if you ne comprends pas. Bye bye! Au revoir et à bientôt. Please stop it, I'm waving.